everyone, my name is Shubham Joshi. Welcome back to another tutorial. Today we'll be learning how to play the tabs for the song Tera Zikr, which is sung by Darshan Raval. We'll be doing the tabs for full song, complete tabs, and the tabs are really easy. We'll be playing it on single string. Right? Today's shout out goes to Rahul Singh, Arup Sardar, Aditi Rastogi, Vandana Bagde, and Mahamaya Cable Network. They all wanted me to do a tutorial on this song. So yes, let's get started, and please make sure to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. Okay everyone, so the first line of the song goes like this. Right, it starts on 7th fret of first string, 7 8. After a pause, again 7 8, 7, 2 strokes on 5, 7. So what we are playing is then 2 strokes on 3rd fret, then 5, 1 3, 1 and open first string. So what we have to play is right. The second line is also pretty similar. I'll play it once. Right, so the second line, for the tabs for the second line again start on 7th fret of first string, 7 8, then 7 8 10, 7 and have and pull off on 8, 5 and slide up to 3. So what we are playing is right. After that again 2 strokes on 3rd fret, 5, 1 3, open first string. Oh, sorry, again 1, then open first string. I'll play it one more time, really slow. The second line. Right, now let's move forward. Next line goes like this. You have to play this same line 3 times, right? So the tabs for this line starts with 3 strokes on 5th fret of first string. After a pause, one more stroke, then 12, 10, 8, 2 strokes on 7, slide down to 10. So what you're playing is right. After that, तुम मुझे याद करोगे line. It starts on 7th fret of first string again with the hammer and pull off on 8th fret. 5, 3, 2 strokes on 5, 8, 7, 8, 10, 8, 7. It goes like this. I'll play the whole line really slow one more time for you, and you have to play this same line 3 times, right? So it goes like this. Right? Play this 3 times, and when 4th time you have to play it, you have to play it like this. Right? It starts on 15th fret of first string, 15, 13, 12, then 12, 10, sorry 12, 2 strokes on 10, hammer on 12, again a stroke on 12. What I'm playing is then 2 strokes on 8 and hammer on 10, again a stroke on 10, right? Then again तुम मुझे याद करोगे line. The tabs for this line is exactly the same, right? Only the initial part I'll play it really slow one more time. Right, now let's move to the next stanza. The first line of the next stanza goes like this. First we'll do mulakaate adhuri rahi, that line, right? It starts on 5th fret with 2 strokes, 7, 8, 8 and slide down 12, 2 strokes on 8 and slide down 12, bring it back to 10. So what I'm playing is again a stroke on 10, 8, 9, hammer and pull up on 10, 5, 3. You can either slide from 5 to 3 like this. Right, after that 2 strokes on 3, 5, 2 strokes on 7, in fact 3 strokes. After a pause, again 2 strokes on 7th fret and slide down to 10, again 7, 7 and hammer on pull off on 8, 5. Not at all complicated as it looks or as it sounds. I'll play it really slow one more time. You have to play this whole line one more time. After that it goes like this. तेरा जिक्र जिसमें हुआ ना हो. Starts with 2 strokes on 5th fret. After a pause, one more stroke. Then 12, 10, 8, 7, 5, 2 strokes on 3, hammer on 5, again a stroke on 5, 7. Play this line really slow one more time. Right. After that मेरे पास वह ऐसा कोई लम्हा ना हो. Starts with 2 strokes on 3rd fret. After a pause, one more stroke. 10, 8, 7. 7 has led up to 5. 5 and hammer on 7. 7, 8. What I'm playing is. Right, I hope you got that. Now the next line goes like this. It starts with 3 strokes on 5th fret of 1st string, then 12, 15, 13, 12, then 10 and slide up to 8, then 7 and hammer on it, again 8, 10. So what I am playing over here is after that again play the second line. Right. After that there's a word Bakhuda. It is to be played like this. It starts with 2 strokes on 5th fret, hammer and pull off on 7, then 4. Right, I hope you got that. Right, then again play the 4 lines. मुझे खोने के बाद के दिन तुम मुझे याद करोगे. I have already explained the tabs for this line. You have to play this line 3 times, in total 3 times, right? And the 4th line goes like this. I already explained the tabs for this line as well, right? Alright guys, so I guess that's it for the tutorial of Tera Zikr, which is sung by Darshan Raval. I hope you all liked it. Please don't forget to drop a like for this video, and please also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. Thank you guys, thanks for watching.